Have you just arrived in China and found that your credit card or cash doesn't work? Whether it's dining out, taking a taxi, or shopping, everyone is using mobile payments, but you don't have a Chinese bank account? Don't worry. Today, I'll show you how to download and use Alipay International and WeChat Pay so that you can enjoy a worry-free trip in China. Part 1. How to download Alipay and WeChat Pay. 1. Download Alipay International for iPhone users. Open the App Store, search for Alipay, find Alipay International, and then download it. For Android users, open Google Play or Huawei App Store, search for Alipay and install it. 2. Download WeChat. Pay similar to Alipay, iPhone users, open the App Store, search for WeChat, and install it. For Android users, open Google Play or Huawei App Store, search for WeChat, and install it. Part 2. How to register Alipay and WeChat Pay accounts. First, Alipay. Open the Alipay you just downloaded and click Register. Select your country. Enter your phone number. International numbers are accepted. Read and agree to the relevant statement, and you will receive a verification code. Next, enter the 6-digit verification code you received and set your login password. Successfully enter the home page of the app so you can pay with foreign currency without a Chinese bank account. On WeChat, the steps will be similar. Open the WeChat you downloaded, click Register. Enter your nickname, region, and enter your phone number. Set and remember your password because WeChat has recently introduced an invitation registration rule for user management. You can find your friends who already have WeChat users to help you scan the code to complete the registration. If you can't find a friend to help, you can also choose to use Alipay, which can also pay most of your bills in China. Part 3. How to link a bank card. After registering an account, we also need to bind our bank card to make payments. In Alipay, select My Bank Card. Click Add Card and enter your card number and name. You can link bank cards such as Visa, MasterCard, or JCB. On WeChat, also find Me, Wallet, Bank Card. Click Add a Bank Card. Add your Visa or MasterCard and complete the settings. How to pay. When we pay bills in China, we have 2 ways. The first way, scan the QR code provided by the merchant to pay. In the upper left corner of the Alipay homepage, click Scan, allow the system to use your camera, and scan the QR code provided by the merchant. The payment page will pop up, enter the corresponding amount and your password, and you can complete the payment. It is also very simple on WeChat. In the upper right corner of the WeChat homepage, there is a plus button. You can click it and scan will appear. Open it and you can scan the QR code provided by the merchant and complete the payment. The second way, provide your payment code and the merchant will scan it. On the home page of Alipay, find Pay Collect and your payment code will pop up. At this time, you only need to show it to the merchant and they will have a payment device to scan it, and then you enter your payment password to complete the payment, and the whole process will be more convenient. On WeChat, we also find the plus button in the upper right corner of the homepage. Select the 4th money, and you can show your payment. Scan it for the merchant to complete the payment. Of course, the premise of the above 2 methods is that you have bound your bank card. If you can't bind your bank card for some reason, you can also ask your friends who have Alipay WeChat to recharge your Alipay WeChat account by transferring money, so you can pay with the balance in the account. Now you have learned how to download, register, bind a bank card, and use Alipay and WeChat Pay. In China, it is almost impossible to live without mobile payment, so set it up as soon as possible. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Have a good trip to China.